Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening wherever you are. Today we're gonna make pandesal using my bread maker. Okay. This is not a sponsored video. So what do we need to make pandesal from the bread maker? First, you have 240 ml water. Pour it in. Then next, 2 tablespoons of butter. Mukha siyang malaki pero 2 tablespoons lang yan. Promise. Okay, then I have a pre-packed combination of bread flour and all-purpose flour. So this is about 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 1/4 cup of bread flour. Mas konti yung bread flour. Yun ang gusto ko eh. Okay, so pour it around the bread maker pan. There. And then I also have a pre-packed sugar. This is about 3 tablespoons. You can actually have more if you want sweeter bread. Okay, again, pour it around the pan. The next, we'll add salt. Anong purpose ng salt? Nabasa ko ang purpose niya is para preservative at saka hindi gaano kainin ng yeast yung sugar. Okay, there I put about 1/4 of salt and a little more, a little less than 1/4 more. Okay, you can actually add half a teaspoon of salt. Depende sa inyo. Pwede rin namang walang salt. Okay, then I have a pre-packed yeast also. This is 1.25 teaspoons of yeast. Instant dry yeast. Okay, kailangan walang matouch yung yeast na wet ingredient. So, dun siya sa taas, sa gitna. Okay, so yun na lahat. Lalagay na natin siya sa bread maker. Open the lid. Again, yung paglagay ng pan sa bread maker is clockwise. Diagonal, tapos clockwise. Okay, yung pagtanggal, opposite naman, counterclockwise. Okay, cover it. I will just plug it. Wait lang. Okay. May default ito eh. So, yun na siya sa loob. Ganun pagtanggal, paglagay, ganyan. Paglock, ganun. Okay, let's cover. Ayan yung mga functions ng bread maker. It has about 19 functions. Okay, ang default niya is nasa number 1, which is basic bread. It takes about 3 hours to finish. Pero syempre, hindi natin uubusin ngayon yung 3 hours na yan dahil pandesal yung ginagawa natin, so may interrupt siya. Okay, ang default weight is 750 grams. as you can see dun sa taas. Default color is medium crust. Okay, kung gusto mong ibahin, you just move this there, naging light. Okay, hindi ko na babaguhin yung 750 grams. I press na natin ang start. There. It will start stirring for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it will rest. And then after 3 minutes, back to stir again. Okay, after 5 minutes, magre-rest siya ulit. And then after 20 minutes, mag-start na siya mag-ferment. Okay? Then we'll just wait until 1 hour and 35 minutes is left on the screen. Okay, pag 1 hour and 35 minutes na lang yung na-leave sa screen, we'll pause the bread maker and then remove the pan. Okay. Okay, so after na ma-form yung dough into 8 pieces, and after rolling it in the breadcrumbs, we'll set it aside. So the 4, I placed it inside the bread maker, and the other 4, I just left it over the counter. They have to rest for about 45 minutes. Okay, 45 minutes is now done. Ito na itsura niya. Nag-break yung isang dough. I mean, isang pandesal. Pero okay lang. Now we're gonna put some more breadcrumbs over the risen doughs. There. Lagyan natin ng more breadcrumbs. Okay. And then, papatungan natin to ng baking paper. Yan. Size just enough to cover the top of the 4. Okay. Then, place the other 4 lightly on top of the paper. Lightly kasi kapag na-squeeze nyo yung dough, liliit siya. Okay. So, pagkasyahin on top. There. And then, pour some more breadcrumbs. Cover. And then, we're ready to bake. Okay, again, ito yung default sa screen. Okay, I will choose number 15, bake. So from the menu, you just continuously press the menu until you reach 15. Okay, there. And then color, light, and then I will add more minutes, 50. And then press start. Okay, kunin na natin. Ayan na siya. Mainit lang. Kuha muna ako ng gloves. Okay. So, ayan na siya. Okay. Kung mapapansin nyo, dikit-dikit yung lalim. Tsaka medyo na-press siya nung nasa taas. So, paghihiwalayin muna natin siya. Paano ko kaya ito paghiwalayin? Mainit. Wait lang. Okay. So, ayan. Madali lang naman siya paghiwa-hiwalayin. Okay, so mapapansin nyo yung nasa lalim medyo flat. Tsaka dark. Pero yung nasa itaas, tama lang yung color niya. At saka yung shape niya. Really, they are really shaped like pandesal. So, there. So, kaya bang gumawa sa bread maker ng pandesal? I think so.